Throwing na yan, nagka-throw na yan, nagka-throw na yan.
Guess we better.
Ina mo, sayang.
Yup. Good idea.
Because it was mine. Guess we better.
Ano to?
This for the matchup. We got it.
Buti bobo yung ano.
Tunog. Ito lang kuya Jay, oh. Different foods. Bobo nung ano.
I'll do legs this time.
Okay.
Whoa! The enemy top tower got destroyed!
Ay, ito si ano ha.
Saan?
Dahil si ano.
Is doctor?
Dahil si ano. Chaos Knight.
Saan?
Andito kanina eh.
I'll see you.
After you.
This for the matchup.
Ikaw, ako ka.
Patay na, patay na, patay na, patay na.
Ano? Bakit wala?
That's something good, maybe.
Me first.
Yan, kinipsan na lang ako, pampaunat.
My turn.
Sa afternoon, Hex tayo, Hex. Maya tayo mga...
You first.
The sad thing is, I think you're
Binisi
actually
ka.
fine.
Ang gabo!
That away.
How many levels is that?
What?
Mas mga tayo.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack!
Mine. Why there?
Who knows?
Ito, balo, tara. Kaso 30 seconds pa ako eh.
Hindi, pwede yan.
Let's go north.
No, south. We better.
Nakapalakriti ka na ba?
Di pa.
Palakriti ka na.
Pali pa lang.
nakapala-
Palaktarin lang ako.
Oh, kunin mo to. Meron ka na to?
Meron na.
I like this part.
Me too.
I'll take that.
Oh,
Okay.
Tara. Pal, saka.
let me
Yan,
through.
Ow.
Nauna ka eh, mauna ka.
Tayo, pataas. Dito.
Let's go north.
No, south.
Wait lang. Tapos ha? Kano yan?
I'll do legs
sort of thing.
Huh?
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping you?
Why there?
Who knows?
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about? Dire just fortified their structures. Good work.
Out of my way.
Lul. Takbo. Run, baby, run.
Yep.
Yup.
Kanya na. Ito, paglalaruan natin.
Illusion. Guess we better.
Oh, dumating delivery ko. Puta.
Yes.
Is that a squirrel?
Ang ina nyo. Oh, sige, tara.
Oh, jeez, your middle tower's under attack.
Diyan na ako. Fight ball, meron ka na?
Meron na.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower was pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
One is hit.
Oh, man.
Uy, Elise.
Oh,
Patay na yan.
tower's under attack.
Nice. Count.
Mamamatay ka dyan.
Good idea.
Mamamatay mo tol ako.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Circle right.
Uwi mo na ako.
My turn.
Man, you might as well save that energy because Radiant just fortified their structures.
Me first.
Tama lang talaga nag-ano ako. Okay. Wala tayong stunner matino eh.
Meron naman.
Guess we better.
Yep.
Haste!
Oh,
Okay. I'll do legs this time.
okay. Yep.
Yep.
Blessings upon a loyal warrior.
Okay.
Yun, namatay.
Fine.
Selfish.
Sige, pwede tayong gumaw. 8
Guess we
seconds.
better.
Yep.
Agol, layo namin. Ay, gago!
Sunog to. Ay, hindi pa namatay. Patay ka dyan.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
Kailangan ko talaga kumunat pa.
What a mess.
Ay, makuha ka na nga, tagal mo patayin eh.
Karta kaya ako.
The enemy's bottom tower is
Wag,
destroyed.
yan muna, sige, yan muna, magano ka muna.
Side to vice, no?
Ah, sa vice muna tayo.
Oh boy, your middle
Unahin ko
tower
muna
just really took
to
a
Mystic
big
Stop.
crap.
Napag-push naman si ano eh.
Partita, wala pang item yan. Pangat pang item yan, no? Pike.
Hindi, maganda item niya. May agad siya eh. Kumakalat yan eh.
Bumabounce yung ano, bumabounce yung...
Yung yellow.
Yung frozen arrow.
Let's go north.
No, south. Good idea.
Andito.
Because it was mine.
Andito.
Sino?
Si Razor, kumukuha nung ano eh. Dito muna, bubulugain kayo niyan. Diba?
Balo.
Get going!
On it.
Oh, the tire carrier
So, tara.
got killed.
Yari kayo ngayon.
Oh!
A fitting bounty. I saw a thing. When can I?
Nakuryente mo na to?
No stopping
Ah,
you.
wait lang mamaya. Ano.
Okay, goods.
La.
Guess we better.
Yep.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
Respal. Tara.
Tara.
We're looking at you.
Tabi.
Oh, your bottom tower's under attack. Of course, Bill leads me to believe the tire just fortified their structure.
Bigyan mo to. Yan lang yan.
Kakabigay ko lang.
Bottom tower's under attack. You might want to kiss your bottom tower goodbye. Oh, shit, just got slaughtered by
sige
the
na.
tire.
Let me through.
Ow!
So, dapat bal? So. O, sige, baba na. Diyan na eh.
Diyan na. Dito na eh.
Come on!
I'm under attack.
Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
Gago, kulang kasi tayo. Wala siyang pike. Yun lang, walang pike. Sayang eh.
Wag na.
Kulang kasi. Yun yung problema eh. Tang ina mo. Tang ina. Stalker talaga unahin natin. O gago. Tara, lapit ka dito.
Yup.
Uwi mo na ako.
Kasi nagsasama sa amin. Kaya to kung sama sa amin.
Me first.
Pag may manta na to, masaya na to.
I saw a thing.
Bikes ka na, bal?
Lapit na.
Bili ka ako pa rin.
Running noise one is hitting.
Not one big one. Here we go!
Let me through.
Get going!
On it.
Hindi ka na mabubuhay dyan, baliw.
Very stinking.
After him.
That away!
Baka kaya eh. Sama-sama kasi.
My turn.
Kahit na mawala ako eh. Kayang-kaya yun.
Because it was mine.
Ano ka lang mag-gribs ka? Tartado ka. Ako na mag-gribs kaya.
Ako na. Buo na yung fight, ano ko eh.
Because Radiant just fortified their
5-5, wala pa.
30 seconds. Atas. Sukat siya lumapit, kuya.
But jeez, Rick, the top tower's getting hit.
Lumapit.
Aray ko.
He said, hey!
Ang ina, ginawang papel. Tara.
Top tower's under attack.
At ano yun, mabis tayo mag-push. Dalawang ano yan. Trax tsaka ano, draw. Gusto mag-push yan.
This just in, the enemy's bottom barracks are destroyed.
Mapatay ko na intro. Eh yung ano. It's doctor. Sacrifice na ako.
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about? Structures are fortified.
Ayan, para tayong tinadhana mamatay.
Oh, the enemy's middle
Eh, kasi
tower
makoy.
is gone. Serves them right. Oh man, oh, I'm so happy about all this.
Ito mo na, utos mo na. Yan. Patay sa ano.
Look at you guys. Hacking at limbs.
Nakulong.
Ako nakulong, hindi niya alam gagawin. Hindi niya alam gagawin.
Kita ka dyan, tartado.
Tago. Alam, may invi dito eh.
May invi ba siya?
May invi siya eh. Sige,
Ano siya?
takbo.
Bili na siya ng ano. Bili na siya ng ano, Silver Edge.
SB.
Silver. Hindi, ano. SE, Silver Edge. Yung Silver Blade na siya eh. Shadow Edge yan eh. Shadow Blade pala yan.
I still have a headache.
Yeah, you
Bigyan mo lagi ng ano yan. Yan.
okay? Can we go alone?
Let's go north.
No, south.
Handa kayo. Ayun o, chaos na ito. Narinig na.
After you. Is that a squirrel?
Come on.
Hit the road.
Huwag mo harangan.
Oh,
Okay.
Ayun o.
Out of my way.
hey! I think I just got smarter.
Nope.
You
You
go
go
first.
first.
Go, please. Go on. Thanks. Is that a squirrel?
Come on.
Let me through.
Ow.
Sa Tormentor kaya.
Yeah.
Out of my way.
Hindi naman nakapaghintay.
Hayaan mo na.
Who's stopping you?
Okay, may buhay tayo.
Gotta be better. Hit those roads.
Ow. Good idea.
Course this was mine. Why there?
Who knows?
Okay, kunin mo lahat ng farming.
Huwag naman, wala naman yan.
Guess we better.
Yup.
natakot eh.
You go first.
Ayaw mo gaganims?
Maya. Ay, dali. Yes, slow mo na yan.
Ito isa ha.
Me first.
Ito mali.
This way.
That away. Let's go north.
No,
No, drop.
south.
Sige.
Basta lagi mo lang ano, Bal, ano, ito. Si ano.
Legs this time.
Okay.
Huwag mo kakalimutan, Bal. Huwag mo kakalimutan.
Oh, sige, sige, sige.
After you.
After you.
Ingat ka dyan ha. Papunta dyan. Okay lang mo wala ng vision mo
Ayan.
ngayon.
Running's not as fun as hitting.
Not one bit fun.
Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
I like this part.
You would.
Hindi, Keso. Hindi ko kukunin yan.
Pwede mo na yan, para sa'yo, mapapakulit din yan eh.
Oh,
Okay. Yep.
yup. I saw a thing.
Me first.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They took out the enemy top tower! Can you see what they did, Rick? Can you see what they did? Actually, 49.
Kaya ako inuuna. Ay puta, namatay ako. Gogo, hindi ko napansin. Hindi ko napag-keso.
Now that you're dead, I find it easy.
Rekta nyo na. O sila oh. Force nyo buyback yan. Kung walang buyback, mga handod na yan.
It just fortified their structure.
Hindi, force nyo yan. Force nyo.
Structures, good work.
Bal, ang BKB yan, ha?
Whoa! The enemy's top tower's fallen!
Silence all.
The enemy's top barracks just got riggedy wrecked, son!
Ina mo, sayang ka.
Whoa! You just unlocked
Dieback
the
sana
positive
yun.
encouragement soundbite.
So, ito na. Ito yan. Ito na inyo.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby! Alright, yeah, know you're doing.
Kaya mo kunin ito, Kuya Jay.
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Oh, they took out the enemy's middle tower!
Die back, die back. Igagin muli. Ayan mo na. Wala, balik.
Let's go north.
No, south.
Blessings upon a loyal warrior.
Yep.
Yep.
Ito, may keso pa ako. Hindi ko napindot eh.
Yep.
Yup.
There we go again.
Where? This way.
That away.
When can I hit something?
No stopping you.
Ang balat sa kabal.
Gago kayo.
Your middle
Ano pala
tower
sa
is
baba?
under attack.
Kaya buuin ko lang tong ano ko. Benta ko na nga tong mga ano ko. Tracer ko.
Oh, jeez, middle tower's under attack. Oh,
Uy.
man, your middle tower just got destroyed.
Okay, direktahin natin.
Oh, middle tower's under attack.
Come on.
You
You
go
go
first.
first. Oh,
Okay. Running's not as fun as hitting.
not one bit fun. I'll do legs this time.
Alt, ano man lagi, lalas manas lagi si ano.
Okay, okay, okay.
Let me through. Guess we better.
Yep.
Kuryente.
We got your number.
Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
Holy kabalbon.
Pipe.
Kakapipe ko lang, kuya.
Pipe uli.
Okay, babalik mga kapatid.
Cause it was mine.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower.
Tamo ha, ginusto mo kami ha. Ginusto mo kami.
That is a triple kill.
Dire wins. Oh boy, that was some time well spent. Good game. Dire wins.
Yes!
Isang alt-tab naman dyan. Tangin na to si RJ. Tara, isa ba? Nanday natin si RJ.
Sa alt tab naman dyan.
Gago ka talaga, RJ. Ay,
Boy, alt tab!
alt-tab is real.
Ano, okay na? Okay na yung ano mo? Peter mo?
Okay na.
Pwede ka naman kasi matagal mag-reformat ng ano eh. Kahit online pwede. Basta huwag ka lang mag-alt tab.
Yun lang naman ang ano eh, dahilan kung bakit gusto ko yun eh. Pero sige, saka na, pwede na rin ako mag-Valorant ulit. Mga isa pa?
Wait lang.
Ayun,
Buwan ko
wala
lang
pa
tong
ng
ano.
party. Jay, sali ka, Jay?
Hindi yata.
Hindi ata nagsasalita sa pare.
Ayun. Yun.
Saan ka pupunta?
Ayos
Ba't
na.
nakaganyan ka?
Yun,
Ulan.
ayos na.
Condition ba yung bike mo?
Kuha ka na ng motor mo kasi.
Balak na. Honda Click. Version, na special edition. Yung version 4 na.
Mas maganda talaga i-cash mo na, wag ka mag-ano lang.
Pwede pa accept. Hindi ka pa, wala pala tayo sa party.
Eh, wait lang. O nga pala, nawala nga pala to.
Take a knee, peasant.
Bakit
Kuha
ganun?
lang ang pansit kanton.
Oh,
Give mo akong leader.
yun. Wait lang. Yun, nice na.
Start mo na, ikaw na mag-start.
Hindi, wait lang mamaya. Inayos lang ako.
Hindi, mamaya ka na magsabi ka lang ha.
Eh, di, okay na. Sige na. Inano ko lang yung ano. Delivery, dumating kasi delivery. Dumating na yung payong ko yun. Yung payong na ano. Na automatic na ano.
Yan na.
Importante din kasi na. Sige.
Start ko na.
Sige lang. Sige, one by one take one. 200 lang. Okay na yan. Automatic pa. Ganda.
Kasi Parlo nakatulog ah.
Baka nagpayat siya sa laro yan.
Tama lang yun.
Wala rin siyang internet kasi kahapon, sabi.
8